Take a ride in 2012 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, cruise control, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.